How to change D-Link router admin password? Follow these instructions. Connect your computer or mobile device to the D-Link router using Wi-Fi or LAN cable for secure access. Open a browser and enter 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar to reach the router login page. Log in using the default credentials. Usually the username is admin and the password is admin or left blank. After login, go to the top or side menu and click on Maintenance, System, or Management, as available. Look for the section called Admin Settings, Device Admin, or Password Settings depending on model. Enter your current password, then type your new password and confirm it to secure your admin account. Click on Save or Apply Changes, and then reboot your router to activate the new admin password. Thank you for watching.